If you're looking for a powerful and efficient way to tackle tough cleaning jobs around your home, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best pressure washers that deliver high performance, durability, and ease of use for every cleaning task. All product links are in the description below. So let's get started. At number 5, we have the Patoolio W6 pressure washer. The Patoolio W6 pressure washer is a professional-grade cleaning powerhouse designed for homeowners who demand efficiency and versatility. With a maximum pressure of 4,200 psi and a flow rate of 2.6 GPM, it effortlessly cleans driveways, patios, decks, cars, boats, fences, and more, making it ideal for a wide range of outdoor tasks. Its all-in-one adjustable nozzle allows spray angles from 0 degrees to 120 degrees, giving you precise control for delicate car washing or heavy-duty surface cleaning. User-friendly and portable, it features a 23-foot high-pressure hose, stable rollers, and anti-tipping design. It can even draw water directly from a bucket, providing flexibility for any cleaning situation. Environmentally conscious, the washer incorporates TSS technology, automatically stopping the pump when the trigger is released to save water and energy while extending the pump and motor life. The child-safe handle adds peace of mind, making it a reliable and efficient choice for any household. At number 4, we have the Westinghouse EPX3500 electric pressure washer. The Westinghouse EPX3500 electric pressure washer is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution, delivering up to 2,500 psi and 1.76 GPM for tackling a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. From driveways and patios to fences and vehicles, it provides deep cleaning performance with precision and efficiency. Equipped with a pro-style 17.5-inch steel wand and a 5-nozzle quick connect set, you can easily switch between 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap applicator settings. Portability and stability are built in, with anti-tipping technology, 4 360-degree swivel wheels, and a low center of gravity, ensuring smooth maneuvering over any surface. The 25-foot nylon-braided hose provides extended reach for larger areas. Designed for convenience and durability, the pump automatically stops when the trigger is released, saving energy and prolonging motor life. Lightweight and compact at just 19 pounds, this pressure washer is a reliable, user-friendly choice for homeowners seeking professional-grade cleaning performance. At number 3, we have the PowRyte pressure washer. The PowRyte pressure washer is a high-performance cleaning solution, delivering up to 3,800 psi and 2.4 GPM for tackling the toughest dirt and grime. Its powerful NCOR pump is durable, non-corrosive, and maintenance-free, ensuring reliable performance. Equipped with a snow foam lance, this washer sprays dense, long-lasting foam directly onto surfaces, allowing detergents to work efficiently without passing through the pump. This extends pump life and enhances cleaning power, making it perfect for cars, patios, driveways, fences, and more. The 4 included nozzles offer precise pressure control: 0 degrees for tough stains, 15 degrees for hard surfaces, 25 degrees for softer surfaces, and 40 degrees for delicate areas like windows and screens. Lightweight and easy to assemble, the PowRyte pressure washer also features a water suction capability from containers when a tap is unavailable. Its 20-foot hose and 2.4-gallon tank make it versatile, portable, and ideal for home and outdoor cleaning projects. At number 2, we have the Kärcher K1700 pressure washer. The Kärcher pressure washer is a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, delivering 1,700 psi true pressure and 1.2 GPM to tackle dirt and grime on cars, driveways, patios, siding, and more. Independently tested and CETA certified, it offers proven performance you can trust for all your outdoor cleaning needs. Versatility is key with the 3 included nozzles: 15 degrees, turbo, and 65 degrees, allowing precise control for everything from stubborn stains to delicate surfaces. The built-in 0.5-gallon detergent tank makes adding cleaning agents easy, boosting your cleaning efficiency. User-friendly design ensures comfort and convenience. The on-off foot switch minimizes back strain, while the automatic stop feature activates when the trigger is released, saving energy and protecting the pump. Compact, durable, and versatile, pressure washer is a top choice for homeowners seeking a dependable, high-quality pressure washer. And finally, at number 1 we have the Sun Joe SPX3000. This electric pressure washer delivers powerful cleaning performance with 2,030 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute of water flow, making it ideal for tackling grime on homes, vehicles, patios, RVs, and more. Its high-pressure output ensures stubborn dirt is removed quickly and efficiently. Versatility is built in with 5 quick connect spray tips, ranging from 0-degree pinpoint to 40-degree fan spray, plus a dedicated soap applicator for deep cleaning. This allows you to customize pressure for delicate surfaces or heavy-duty tasks. Durability and reliability are guaranteed with a 34-inch stainless steel lance, solid brass fittings, and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, designed to withstand frequent use while maintaining performance. It features dual 0.9-liter detergent tanks, letting you switch between cleaning solutions effortlessly. Lightweight, efficient, and user-friendly, the Sun Joe SPX3000 is a top choice for homeowners seeking a versatile and high-quality pressure washer. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 pressure washers of 2025. Whether you're tackling tough grime or giving your car a gentle clean, there's a model here for every need and budget. Check out the links in the description to find your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert gear reviews.